Hello guys! Let's learn some colors name. Violet color, red color, brown color, light green color, dark green color, pink color, dark blue color, yellow color, orange color, purple color, black color, dark blue color. Today we will learn some numbers and alphabets. Let's learn to count some numbers. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Let's learn some alphabets. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.